Okay, team, our Q2 goal, automate 200 test cases. Let's go!
Karen, we have automated only 20 tests so far.
Only 20 tests. Could you elaborate, please?
There was a complex component we had to automate with drag and drops, and interacting with some of the drop-down was really complex. Additionally, writing the page objects and identifying the locators took us a very long time.
DevAssure has recently released an agent that executes the tests written in plain English. You have your test cases in an Excel file, right? You can just attach the file to the invisible agent and it just goes ahead and starts to execute. The problem you mentioned with locators and page objects, they no longer exist with DevAssure. You no longer need 3 weeks to set up the automation. You can just execute all of your 200 tests in less than 10 minutes. This is a huge game changer.